Welcome back to Deep.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Thanks for watching D2 Wrenchworks and DIY, guys. As you can see behind me, I got my Klein mountain bike, a cool custom build that I'm finishing up here. And one thing I did want to show you was how to install the shift cables on these X9 Sram shifters. So I'll bring it in right now and show you how to do that. Now, as you can see, I already went ahead and did this. You need a 5mm Allen to loosen your shift cable bolt here, and you're just going to snip the end of it off, pull your housings out, so on and so forth. Okay, on our shifters here, you have 5mm bolts, also one a piece. You're going to need to remove them. I already got mine loose, just for the sake of the video here. Okay, that's both removed. Now, you want to make sure, first things first, you want to make sure you downshift all the way. I've already done that. And right here, you have a trap door. You want to pop that open and swing it around like so. It just swings and lifts right up. And you'll notice if you're in the first gear of your shifter there, all the way downshifted like you should be, you can see the head right there and the little tunnel on the red piece. That holds your shifter head right there. You can see it coming. Oh, there you go. You can see it coming in and out. And what I like to do to help it get out of that section is twist it. There you go. Now your right is going to be the same. Your right, that was the left. The right is going to have a blue side on it. It's hard to catch this in the light here, but there you go. You can see that the shifter head poking out all the way downshifted like it's supposed to be. Same thing, you push all the way through and it comes out. Now to install a new cable, what you do is the same thing. Basically just look down the barrel here and it's going to come right out the hole. You want to just try to hold it and just aim it down the barrel like that. Just try to keep it nice and centered because it's going to come out of the center hole here that you can see. And that's it. You just pull it all the way through. You want to just make sure that the head falls into its the shifter head there falls into its little holder. Nice and neat. And if you'd like, I always like to just do a quick hand test. Hold it. You feel the cable tension. And you feel it loosen. You know it's not going to jam up and you're all done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can check out this cool build on my channel along with a ton of other ones that do road bikes, automotive repairs, carpentry. Just a big DIY channel. We like to do everything. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.